Hello everybody, welcome back to Huda Beauty. It is me, Amanda, as always. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite palettes that I purchased in 2017, going into 2018, which is now. And these palettes are not limited to eyeshadow, they are glow palettes, they are contour, blush, everything. So if you would like to see my favorite palettes that I purchased in 2017, please keep watching. Got this new tripod that is like a little handy one that I'm trying out to see if I can make this a bit more vlog style while being just a normal video. So let me know if you like the tripod vibe, and if not, I'll go back to my regular one. Now, I purchased actually a lot of palettes this year. I'm living in Sweden now, so I actually purchased most of these from the Sephora website in Canada, and then when I would go home, I would just bring them because it's a bit cheaper. But I bought a couple of releases, especially the ones from Huda Beauty, directly from Dubai, and the other ones I waited for when I would get my VIB discount, and then when they had the friends and family sale at Sephora, I would get the codes because I used to work there. Here is my palette game. As you can see, well, a lot of it is some of the releases. I kind of went crazy on the Anastasia Beverly Hills holiday release. I kind of bought mostly everything. Whoops, don't fly away. So the first palette that I purchased this year was actually the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Now, I was such a backer girl when it came to highlighters. I had all of them. I love Champagne Pop. I still do. But I've heard so much about Anastasia's highlighters, so I had to try it out, and they finally had it in stock at Sephora. So I bought this one. I really like this one because it's a lot of natural highlighter shades besides the tourmaline. So it kind of gives just like a beautiful sun-kissed glowy look, hence why it's called the Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And yeah, I think it's really great if you're looking for something a bit more natural and you don't really want to get into the crazy highlighters yet. The second palette I bought this year was the anticipated and long-awaited Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And I'm pretty sure this is my favorite eyeshadow palette of 2017 and probably 2018 because, I mean, well, it comes with this. And how could you not with these beautiful shades? It's so versatile, it's warm, it's glittery, it's perfect for just exploring and kind of figuring out what type of artist you are through these colors. I've created some beautiful looks with this palette. I show it to all my friends, I use it constantly, I think it's awesome. Moving forward, so after these two palettes, I got a bit bored because these are the only two palettes I purchased this year. I had all of my old Modern Renaissance Juvia's Place palettes, Urban Decay palettes, which are awesome, but if you're a makeup obsessed lover like me, you always want the new stuff. So a little birdie told me about the Friends and Family sale at Sephora, so I contacted my old manager, gave her my email, and she sent me a 20% discount code, like the old times, and I ended up purchasing a lot of products. I did kind of like a haul because here in Sweden we have a lot of the same products, but some of the releases are only pertaining to certain Sephoras in North America and such, and Toronto has a lot. So I went for a haul, and I will show you that right now. Well, I'm going to do a couple separate videos on these products, but because I'm so excited, I just wanted to show you them all now. I purchased the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette in the cream contour palette, because I love cream contour. I think it works so well, and there's been a bit of hit and miss of this online because the colors are so diverse, and it's great if you're a makeup artist, but can solely one person use all of these colors? Play around with your palettes. Just because you've never used a certain color or shade before doesn't mean it might not work on certain areas of your body or function for different purposes. So I give that one a thumbs up. Moving forward from my exciting haul, the second product I purchased was this little bitty Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I'm a big reviewer, so I read up on the products before I buy them. And this one online, a lot of people were complaining because they're like, well, it's expensive for this itty bitty little package. But if you compare it to the Desert Dust palette, these shadows are actually the same size and they are gorgeous. They are beautifully pigmented and they're perfect for traveling. It's just kind of like the nice little compact little darling over there. And I also purchased the Anastasia Prism palette. I was debating, I have to take the brush out so it doesn't fall. I was debating between this one and the Subculture. I was going to get the Subculture right away when it came out, but the colors weren't exactly me. I like a bit more of a shimmer in my product. I'm not really a cool tone girl, even though the palette is beautiful and I still kind of want it. When I saw this one, it pertained to me a lot more. And I think my favorite color in this is Throne. It's just stunning, but this is such a diverse palette. You can do so many cool looks with it. And I even think it's on sale right now at Sephora, so you should kind of pick it up if you haven't already. And yeah, so going into the new year, I'm definitely gonna play around with this palette more, get out of my warm tone comfort zone, and see what type of looks I can come up with. So the next two palettes I use pretty much on a daily basis if I'm not wearing eyeshadow and I just want to do more of a natural look. I'm actually wearing it right now, but it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit. I purchased the Radiant one, and this is it. And these colors are so pigmented, so beware if you put a lot on your brush because you will get the swoop of your life. And it's just really great for traveling, and it's a pretty good deal. 4 blushes in one. It won't run out anytime soon. I think it's great. I think it's just awesome. A second thing that I definitely do not need but purchased was the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. This one has some really cool highlighters in it. There is beautiful pink shades, beautiful champagne, a really nice kind of blinding marshmallow, and others. And I'm actually wearing, which one am I wearing? I'm wearing Gumdrop on my cheek right now. And it's fabulous. The cool thing about the Anastasia highlighters as well is you can wear them on your lids if you want just more of like a sheeny, glowy look. It's like a really nice alternative for that. But that concludes the palettes that I purchased in 2017. I know it's a lot, but I probably won't purchase another palette in 2018 until something really, really shocks me and I fall in love with it instantly. And I truly fell in love with all of these as soon as I saw them. Confessions of a makeup addict. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more of my content. I'm going to be making more fun content in the new year, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.